Alright, let's open this up and see what we have inside. As you can see, it's just a great package. Alright, wow. That's a magnificent badge. Mounted on in, nice Velcro back for your flight suit. I hope you can see that. A piece of the certified metal from artifact from the Arrow. Beautifully done. Nice certificate. Oh my. Look at this. Just give me a minute here. I'm going to pull this out so everybody can see this. Okay, so there's the first box. That's beautiful. Now there's the inside box. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. A certificate of authenticity. And look at this. Oh my. I cannot believe this. And there it is, this beautiful wood box. Troy ounce. The RCAF crest. Just open it up. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. And I don't know that you can see this or not. I'm going to try and show you. Yeah, that's get the right angle. And you can see the crest is there on the edge of the inside box. A picture of the Arrow with the Canadian flag in behind. That looks magnificent. But the real reason we're all here is this. I don't know if you can truly see all the colors in that coin. And I'm going to put it down just because I think it might be a little better to see. The camera. Oh, look at that. What a brilliant piece of art. It's like a painting on bullion. It's fantastic. Super job, Joe. And of course the crest. And now I don't know if it'll be easy to see or not, but each on the edge of these, it's kind of hard to tell. But it's stamped the RCAF with the anniversary on it, as well as the coin. Now I don't know if I can get it close enough to see. Let's see, not really. However, this is the real reason we're here. Look at this magnificent coin. And again, the offside. So all in all, I think this is a pretty outstanding package. I hope anybody that's considering it will give it a good serious look. And wow, all I can say is wow. Great job, Joe.